Hello guys, and welcome to today's project of making blueberry jam that hits all the right notes. I will also be showing you the special ingredient I used to make this wonderful and beautiful jam that pairs well with bread, scones, cakes, and pancakes. Of course pancakes. Let's start. You will need some blueberries. The first tip is to never pay full price for fresh blueberries. I like to get them when they are reduced. Why pay full price when you are turning it into jam? They still look great. So naturally, I bought a lot of packets. I also have frozen blueberries. I freeze them when I don't have enough to make a large amount of jam, but I still can get a great price from them. So I defrosted them because I know I'm making jam today. The best part when you defrost blueberries, they release natural blueberry juice. Now take a large pot and place the blueberries in. I came to a total weight of 1,220 grams. Next, we are going to measure the sugar. Usually, the sugar percentage would be about 50% of the fruit, but I don't want to make it crazy sweet. So I'm going to add in only 25%, which is 305 grams. Take the pot to the stove and place it on medium to high heat. Make sure to stir the sugar to dissolve it in. Our goal for the temperature is to reach 105 degrees Celsius. We are only at about 100 degrees Celsius now. Remember to stir occasionally. Now for that special ingredient. I am a huge fan of jam pairing with floral flavors. I am using violet syrup from a French company called Monin. The smell of violet smells extra sexy and complementary to the blueberries. You can also use this for blackberries as well. Here I am using 5% of the total weight of fruit plus sugar, which is 76 grams of violet syrup. You can of course adjust to your taste. You will want the violet syrup to enhance the blueberries, but not overpower it. Pour it in while the blueberries are trying to reach the 105 temperature mark. My secret weapon is matching fruit colors with the colors of flowers. Blueberries and blackberries go well with violet, strawberry and raspberry go well with rose or hibiscus, white peach goes well with elderflower. This is my basic floral pairing. You can of course try other flowers and pair them as you like. The reason we want the mixture to reach the 105 degree temperature mark is so that the jam can set naturally without the help from setting agents like pectin. In the meantime, here is tip number 2. Take some metal spoons and place them in your freezer. You will need this for later. Once the jam has reached 105 degrees, take it off from the stove. Take the spoon from the freezer and take some jam. The cool spoon will instantly cool the jam down, and then you can do the line test. Typically in other recipes, the recipes will tell you to take some of the jam out and place it onto a plate and wait until it cools to see if it sets. The freezer spoon trick is much faster. You can also taste it straight away since the spoon helped cool it down fast. Because we are able to draw a line and the mixture on the spoon has set, the jam is ready. We can now transfer it to a container. Place the jam into a glass container and wrap the surface with cling film to prevent the skin from forming. Place it in the fridge to cool for 8 hours or overnight is best. The next day. Peel back the cling film. Look at that shiny jam surface. All what we have to do now is make some toast and have some blueberry jam. Just look at that happy guy, having his homemade blueberry jam. There is nothing like a good jam in the morning. This simple 3-ingredient jam is a must-try. No effort at all to make this outstanding jam. And there you have it guys, blueberry violet jam. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with me on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.